Why does your scanner show the P0690 engine code? What does it mean? P0690 is a diagnostic trouble code for ECM or PCM power relay sense circuit high. It indicates that the Powertrain Control Module or Engine Control Module has detected an abnormal voltage reading from the relay control circuit that supplies power. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ECM or PCM power relay. Wiring issues. ECM or PCM issues. Faulty fuses. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Cadillac, Mercedes, and Chevy. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.